Okay, so another small package. This is the I think the 8mm red spools for the rear stand for the motorcycle. Well, this will fit many other bikes, so but this one is for the R1. This one's cost me $4 with free shipping from China. It took like 15 days to get here, but it's alright. It's cheap. I'm gonna open the package real quick, show the quality of the item, and then just a basic packaging, small bubble wrap, and yeah. Got these ones. Okay. So yeah, they're anodized red, and they come with the spool and the bolt. This is a 8mm hex bolt. So I mean Allen bolt. That's for both sides, left and right. Same bolt pattern, and yeah, they look nice. I mean, $4, very cheap. I'm gonna give a nice look to the bike on the from the swing arm. This is gonna look pretty tight. Yeah, well, yeah, this will be helpful because when you put the rear stand, they can sit on here. So probably I'm gonna put a little bit of tape right here, because if I put the stand, it's gonna scratch the anodized red on it. But other than that, I mean, they look pretty cool. If you guys want to give it a try for $4, just wait 15 days. I mean, it's up to you. I think it's worth it for $4. I mean, you can buy a lot of stuff from China for your bike and then make it look good. So hopefully this video makes you decide if you want to buy them, and I keep you guys in touch with the next video on the other parts that are coming, and show you the end result of the bike when I have all the parts installed on it, and then we go from there. So peace.